Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, it's Budget Meal Friday, where we cook delicious meals that won't break the bank. Today we're going to make taco casserole. We're going to start with chopping up half a cup of green onions. We're going to chop up half a cup of tomatoes. Now we're going to heat up a skillet over medium-high heat. Now the skillet heated up, we're going to cook 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to cook the beef until it's brown. Now with the meat brown, we're going to add in 2 cups of salsa. We're going to reduce heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed. Now we're going to add in 1 can of chili beans. We're going to stir that together. We're going to spray a 9x13 pan with some vegetable spray. We're going to crush about 3 cups of tortilla chips into the bottom of the pan. And we're going to take our beef mixture, spoon it on top of the tortilla chips. We're going to spread it out. The best we can. We're going to take 2 cups of sour cream, and spread it all over the beans and meat. We're going to take a 2-ounce can of black olives and sprinkle it all over. You want it drained first. I'm going to take our tomatoes and onions, sprinkle it on there. Now we're going to take 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, sprinkle it all over top. We're going to cook in a 350-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That was really good. Cost us right at 20 bucks. And it feeds 6 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.